The FBI warns that the critical daily functions of hospitals are at an increased risk of being hacked. And in tonight's Cyber Safe Parent, we look at what needs to be done to keep patients safe. Hospitals and healthcare organizations are a vulnerable target for a cyber attack, lagging behind other industries in cyber readiness. The FBI has warned of an increased and imminent cybercrime threat to U.S. hospitals. Metro Lieutenant Alan Larson.
With the healthcare sector, we have seen a huge increase in the amount of attacks that are targeting our healthcare partners. We've even had some local hospitals and clinics here in Clark County that have been, victims of cyber attacks.
A worrisome aspect is that critical healthcare components, from CT scans to medical devices to the refrigerators that store blood for surgery, could be compromised.
What would be the very worst case scenario is if they were able to compromise in such a way that they're able to shut off power or shut down the systems, they're providing this critical care to these patients. That would be the most devastating thing.
Electronic healthcare record systems are now the norm for private patient information.
If that gets compromised, now you can re-victimize those patients.
Lieutenant Larson encourages cloud-based servers to keep a layer of separation from on-premise servers, endpoint protection for computers attached to company networks, and firewalls requiring double verification for patient portal records.
We also have a healthcare working group where we work with the information security officers from these different healthcares, hospitals, things like that, to be able to give them pointers and tips on how they can help increase their infrastructure so that they don't become victims of a cyber attack.
Experts warn the time is now for a shift in the thinking and planning of hospital cyber defense, with a far greater value being placed on cybersecurity.
In the healthcare sector, it's of the utmost importance.
Now you can find all of our previous segments, many with helpful cyber hygiene tips for businesses and individuals, over on our website, 8newsnow.com, under Cyber Safe Parent.